In this video, we are going to see how we can apply the freeze panes function in Excel. So let's say that if we scroll down in this data, you will notice that as we scroll down, the headings disappeared. So it is very difficult to identify which subject this is. You need to check every time from the top, and that brings a lot of confusion. Similarly, if I bring forward, let's say that I have a lot of data, as we scroll down forward, we are unable to see the students' names now. So what I want is, I want to put a cursor somewhere that behind this point, I'll just select this. I will make the selection here. I just colored this to show you. Put the cursor here, and I want to apply the condition that behind this, whatever is there should be freezed, and above this, whatever is there should be freezed. So above this are all the headings, and behind this is all the names. After that, we just go to the View tab and click on Freeze Panes. And you can see a similar example here that whatever selection you make, behind this and above this, everything will be freezed. So you have the option of freezing the top row or the first column, but I want to do both. I want to freeze the first column and also the top row. So instead of this, I just put the cursor here. Above this and behind this, everything should freeze. So click on Freeze Panes, and you will notice a little line here, a little continuous line that is different from here, if you notice. So this means that when I scroll down now, the headings will not disappear. And when I scroll forward, the names will not disappear. So this is how you can use this amazing function in order to use your Excel sheet more effectively and more easily. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.